So a very common question that I encounter is, Doctor, after how long post a LASIK surgery can we start using a computer? Well, see, LASIK is a procedure where there is a reshaping of your cornea so that you can have a better vision, right? You can get rid of your glasses. So it is said that a minimum of 24 to 48 hours is mandatory before you get back to your computer usage. Again, it depends from patient to patient, but I'm just telling you, the minimum time period that is required is between 24 to 48 hours. So after 48 hours, you can again get back to your usual computer work. So why wait for this 24 to 48 hours? So immediately after the LASIK procedure, your cornea is extremely vulnerable. Okay, and then if you start using your computer, it can cause a lot of strain to your eyes, and this can interrupt with the natural healing process of your cornea. The second thing is dryness. Now during LASIK procedure, we know that certain nerves which actually help in the tear production get affected. Okay, so dryness is a very common side effect of LASIK. And we also know that when we have an increased screen time, the number of times that we blink our eyes is again drastically reduced, so which can further aggravate the dryness. So it is essential that during the initial few days or initial few weeks that you take it slow, allow your eyes to recover naturally, and also use adequate lubricating eye drops. The other thing is there can be a visual fluctuation. So immediately after the LASIK, it takes some time for you to actually get a crystal clear vision. There can be a little fluctuation in your vision. At times the vision can get blurry. So if you're somebody who is constantly trying to focus at the images which is there on the computer screen, it can cause to a lot of strain to your eyes, and this can again interrupt in the normal healing process, right? So it is like a vicious circle. So some simple tips that I would like to share with you is that wait for 24 to 48 hours before you start using your computer. And after that, once you start using your computer, make sure you limit your screen time. Start with short sessions, not longer than 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid overloading your eyes. Second is, make sure you follow the rule of 20-20-20. That is, every 20 minutes, take a break for 20 seconds and look at something which is at a distance of 20 feet. Next, make sure that your computer screen is positioned at an eye level to minimize the strain on your eyes and neck. Also, ensure the brightness and the contrast so that the screen is comfortable to view. Make sure, like I said, dryness of your eyes is a very common side effect post LASIK. So make sure you use adequate lubricating eye drops as prescribed by your doctor. So I always tell my patients, for a successful outcome of any procedure, it's got two parts. The first one, the most important part, has to be done by the doctor, and the second part is the patient care, where you will have to follow the instructions given by your doctor. So here, even in this case, post LASIK, make sure you avoid screen time for 48 hours. Give your eyes that required healing time, which is very, very crucial. And post that, make sure, like I said, take frequent screen breaks, adjust your screen light, keep yourself well hydrated, and use sufficient lubricating drops, right? So this will ensure that the healing process is also very smooth, and you will have an excellent, very good outcome. Thank you.